Okay, the reason for the high fuel consumption of cars has been found. Let's look here. When this car starts, the needle of the tachometer always shakes up and down, which is very unstable. Moreover, it is very easy to stall when waiting at a traffic light. Do you know what the reason is? Actually, the throttle valve of the engine is dirty. When many people hear this reason, their first reaction is to go to the repair shop. This is too stupid. In this situation, if you go to the repair shop, how much money do you think they will cheat you? Today, let's clean the throttle valve by ourselves. It's very simple. From now on, you will never be cheated when you go to the repair shop. Come, look here. This is the throttle valve. It is installed under this resonance box. First, let's take it apart. No tools are needed. Very simple. We can remove it by pulling it with our hands. Look, this throttle is so dirty. No wonder the rotational speed is unstable. Next, let's clean it. The first step is to start the car. Then we find a brick and press it on the accelerator pedal. This way the throttle valve plate opens. Then we find a bottle of cleaning agent and spray it on a paper towel. Then we put the paper towel into the throttle valve and wipe it clean. Look, it's so dirty. If the throttle valve is too dirty, it will affect the air intake volume and fuel injection volume. It will cause the engine speed to be unstable and lead to high fuel consumption. It has been cleaned now. Now remove the bricks. Put the resonant box back on. Okay, everything is ready. Next, we start the car and see if the engine speed can be stabilized. If the problem is solved, remember to light up the red heart and support me. Next, let's see the repair effect directly. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Turn the key. Look. Look here. Look at the tachometer. It has stabilized. Then the car's fuel consumption will definitely decrease. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.